This is why you need a proper dryer vent in Seattle. The right ducting means safer, faster, and cheaper laundry days. Let's talk about what really works. Let's face it, Seattle's rainy weather means our dryers work overtime. But did you know the type of vent you use makes a huge difference? Rigid metal ducting is the gold standard for dryer vents, especially in our damp climate. Unlike flimsy foil or plastic tubes, rigid metal ducts have smooth walls that keep lint from piling up and blocking airflow. That means your clothes dry faster, your energy bills drop, and the risk of dryer fires plummets. Flexible ducts can crush and kink, causing clogs and even more lint buildup. Yikes. A rigid metal vent stays strong, keeps air moving, and helps protect your home. And remember, even the best vent needs regular cleaning to stay safe and efficient. For Seattle homeowners, StarDucts has your back. Call for a cleaning and keep your laundry days worry-free.